All right, just wanted to share an update on this R32 GTR. The AC was, well, it wasn't working. The pressure was about 20 PSI on the low side. Low side, if you don't know where to look, it's back here by the firewall, and it's right there. That's the low side port. I just used a standard 1/4 inch connector, and then I put a high pressure adapter on the high side. It does not have 134 in it. I just put the adapter on there to make it easier to hook it up. So again, I wasn't sure if this was going to work, but I bought this RedTek ProSeal R12 from Canada. Well, somebody sold in the States from eBay, but anyway, comes from Canada. And I put about a can in. The pressures got up to about 35 to 38 on the low side, and the high side got up to about 220, which is about the recommendation-ish for 95 degrees. The good news is it does work, and the temps got down to about 57 in the car, coming right out the port or out of the vent, so that's good news. Just wanted to share that because I was having a hard time finding information on how to fill these things. So if you have the original R12, I recommend this ProSeal 12 from RedTek.